This is my Razor scooter. It's got a one-piece bar, yellow grips, a sticker, and 2 single clamps. It has 2 yak wheels, black and purple grip tape, a razor brake, another sticker, and another sticker. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay, here's me.
Okay, my friend's about to show you his scooter. He's just getting it. Okay. Wait. You've got to move back a bit. You've got to move back because I can't. What are you doing first? The grips?
Hello, my name is Lockie, and this is my Mad Gear scooter. It has Mad Gear green grips, the Team Edition, and I have trunk Y bar with a quad clamp with the Mad Gear symbol, and a metal core solid flavor wheel, and green and black grip tape with a flavor sticker there, a Mad Gear brake with a Mad Gear Pro Team Edition stock wheel, and reinforced bottom, and you can see my grind mark, and please rate and comment because I would like to know if they're good. Thank you, bye bye.